How to record shows on Xumo. I'm going to tell you how to record shows on Xumo, whether you're on TV, computer, or phone. On Xumo Streambox or TV, you can record directly. While watching a show, press the up button on your remote and select record. For series, press up, go to more info, then choose record again. This works best for Spectrum channels and similar content. On PC or via Xumo website, Xumo doesn't offer built-in recording online, but you can use Ease US Rec Experts. Open the app, choose the record full screen or a region, enable system sound and hit record. Afterward, your recording saves to your PC in MP4 or other formats. You can schedule recordings too. On mobile, on iPhone, you just go to Settings, Control Center, and Screen Recording. Swipe down and tap Record while watching. On Android, almost the same thing. Swipe down twice, select Screen Recorder, and start. Your videos will be saved directly to your gallery. Quick reminder, screen recording might not work at times and might go against platform rules, so use it responsibly.